Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the noise filter in your LG washer, you will need a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Unplug the 2 harnesses from the noise filter. Lift the tab on the filter and push forward to remove. To install the new noise filter, insert the filter into its notches and pull back until it locks in place. Plug in both wire harnesses to the filter. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel. Push the washer back into place. Plug in the power. And your washer should be ready for use.